bottom barrel shotgun. Oh, if this was my last video, my last video, y'all saw I made this contraption. It's a minnow trap. Don't judge me. But I'm still not done with it, and I will do some stuff with it in this video. And then if you saw the video that says 16 subscribers, I will do GoPro videos. Get this video, subscribe to my channel, and get me up to 16 subscribers. And I'll do some GoPro videos. So right now, as you can see, there's a bullet loaded in. Okay, I'm gonna cock it. Oh, guys, I accidentally hit the camera. It happens every time to someone. Okay, so look, I'm cocking it. Press the bullet in. I'm pulling the trigger. See? And listen to this. Look. There was a really bad shaking noise earlier. And, well, we gotta fix that. So, yeah, we gotta take this thing apart again. This thing has been taken apart. This is the second time being taken apart. And this guy just gave me this thing. Shout out to this guy. Go subscribe to his channel. His channel is called H. Make sure to like and subscribe to my channel. And if you're new here, I am PW. Make sure to like and subscribe if you're new here. That would really help out my channel. So yeah, let's take this apart. My next video I will be doing, I don't know. I really don't know. So I'm ready to see what's going on with it now. Because I've already fixed it once. But once I fixed it and then I put it back together, it wouldn't shoot. So I'm like the trigger wouldn't pull. I'm like, what the freak? So I'm like, I'll just do a video of it later. And then that was like 2 hours ago. So here I am doing a video. It's gonna take forever for this one. Oh, it's time. So yeah. And in one video, I might be doing a paint job for this. Look, this would be black, 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 black. And then the rest of it's orange. Or not orange, red. It's gonna be sick once I get the paint job done with it. And I can't believe I'm taking this thing apart for the second time. Because it's really getting annoying. Because I'm having to, do all this work. And there's a guy, he said, hey man, you want this gun? I said, yeah. I said, hey man, can I have this gun? And he said, yeah, sure, it's broken. I said, I don't care, I'll fix it. So we went to my house. We got him a perfectly working gun, a little pistol. I gave it to him. And then he gave me a trashed gun. Even though I said it's okay, that is broken. Because I would fix it. If I don't fix it by next weekend, I get my gun back, he gets his gun back. So I really want this gun to be fixed because I really love this gun. So today's Friday, so not this weekend, but next weekend I'll be, doing it. So yeah, it's gonna be fun. I thought this would be my background right here. I can't see it, but it's not. That's my background. It's really changing. It's the exact same one as that one. Right. Get the freaking bullet! I can see you. Get the freak out of here. I really hope this video does not to use my GoPro. Y'all don't understand how excited I am to use my GoPro. Because I get it I get it this weekend, the last day of the weekend, Saturday. So I get it Saturday, and the next weekend I get to use it for the lake. God, look, it's a magnet. Yeah, oh, it fell. Comment down below what I should do next. Ooh. I don't see. Ah, there's another screw way down here. All I gotta do is just take these two screws out and the handle off, and then I can see what's inside of it. Which y'all are gonna get, first. Y'all are gonna get to see. I hope. Honestly, I don't even know if I can see this. I'm just gonna scoot it over. Bruh. Eat that. And I'm gonna take the wood out just in case that is something. See, now it fires. Oh no, I'm figuring stuff out. But it doesn't shoot whatsoever, which is kind of weird. Dreamcatcher. You're not supposed to be a weird catcher. You're supposed to be a dreamcatcher. Two years later. If I had a drill, this would be much easier. Dang, I gotta take the handle off of it. And I already put this thing back together today. So now I gotta figure out what's wrong with this thing. Again, today. Even though I've already fixed it. We thought we fixed it, but apparently we didn't. Which I probably misplaced something. Which I get why. But I don't take pictures of anything. I just go full on. I don't stare at it. I just go full on. So I see why this is broken. Again. Hey, dude. And it was not this hard to get the handle up last time. But as a guy, you should pay me back, bro. God, bro. Rub it off. Oh, yep. Alright, I think I see why it's wrong. Wait! We already... No! Bruh. We already fixed it. That's why it's not shooting. Because we already freaking fixed it. Frick. We already... I don't get this. The trigger's fine. Oh, shit. No, do that, please. Okay, well, something's wrong with the little panel right here because it's when you pull it, it stretches. So I think what happened is that when my friend has a cotton, when he was playing it with it once, gave up and snapped. And then it was just sitting there. So then I decided, try to fix it. I glued it back. Super glue, or Gorilla Glue, which is weird. And Crazy Glue broke, or didn't do the job. I checked back today. Earlier, the thing was fine. It was working. But I checked back again. It snapped. But it hasn't shot. But another thing, when you pull this trigger, this little trigger right here, right there, it's supposed to spring back like that. So I guess why you're cutting that, because when you shoot it, it's supposed to go. When you pull the trigger, it's supposed to go and twist. So the bullet has a chance to get out. So I guess I'm snapped down there, so I'm just gonna pop that right out. Yeah, see, it broke. Oh, I'm gonna put this back. I'm just gonna. This gun's just trash. Thought I'd be able to fix it. No. This would have been a good gun. Would have been really good gun. So let's try to. Nope. My dad can try fixing it. I'm sure he'll fix it because he's fixed basically all my guns. He's fixed 3 of them, 4, and then he's gonna have to fix my other shotgun. He might fix this one and my other shotgun, because the shotgun, it was literally, I could get my pinky and go, and it would fire. I can literally get my pinky, go boom, and it would fire. Now you have to do this. You have to pull as hard as you can. Because my brother threw it down the stairs. So that jammed it up. I'm sure my dad will be able to fix this. Honestly. Because, he's really good at fixing things. So it'd go like this. And then when it's supposed to be in the barrel, and then when you shoot it, when you pull the trigger and you cock it, and then you shoot it and you pull the trigger and it goes. And then it just goes. But when you pull the trigger, and you cock it and you pull the trigger, and it just goes. And it just goes. So this is all fine. I'm pretty sure this needs to be re-greased. I think so. This needs to be re-greased for sure. So we got a lot of things. This needs to go back. This needs to be re-greased, and then this needs to go back in there to hold the bullet. That's good. Since we're not, gonna be dealing with this right now because it freaking sucks. Get my tape. What are we doing with this? This one just. And so we're just going to go. Yeet. I don't think I can do it now. Yeah, we gotta puncture holes in this, so I'm just going to be doing that. You might think you got a hole, but sometimes you don't actually have a hole. I'm actually gonna fill this up with water. Okay, I'm just gonna poke a little hole right here, real quick. And I should not. No, I don't. Yeah, I do. Wait. Yeah, I do. I'm just gonna poke a little hole there. get in there. When I end this video, I'm not blow up this food. Cause I don't think I can get it out now. Nope, I sure can't. I can't get this freaking. Dang it! I can't get the Nerf gun. I'm not gonna be able to get that out unless it comes to me. I guess we'll just have to poke another hole. Come to Papa! Come to Daddy, come to... Guys, this water bottle thing did not turn out that good. Why? But this dish is gonna have to stay in there. Comment down below if you like my little room. I totally made by myself. Okay, I did not, because I got a new bed. It's a bunk bed. It was in my sister's room. They didn't want it. I said, you know what, mate? I'll take it. Please don't like and subscribe, turn the bell on, notification bell on. Moment the truth. Will it hold water? Actually, I can just hold you guys. So I'm just going to. I don't quite know if you can see that. But we're filling it. And it's doing good. Well then. Okay, not bad, not bad. Not bad at all. Okay, not bad, not bad, not bad. The water all comes out, but the Nerf dart is actually stuck. So we're just going to fill this sucker all the way up with holes for water. It'll work. Yep, it'll work. Comment down below if you think it'll work. But the Nerf dart won't get out. Get out! I got it. I got the Nerf dart. That. Man, I thought that would deal with that. It's all crunched. Hey, no cars. Now I want to show you what bait I will be using. Yeah. I better have this thing ready before we go to the lake, which we're literally going to the lake tomorrow morning. We're going to Walmart to get me and Sky fishing baits, and then yeah, I probably won't be able to open the door because we got child locks, but we do. All right, so let me throw that in the trash. Open this, and we will be using pure dog food. Hey, Roo, you want any? You want some? You want some? Roo, you want some? You don't want any? Sure. I know Connor does. Connor does. Yeah, of course Roo comes over here. Hurry up and eat it, old dog. Okay, there we go. Well, that's good. Yes, but I will be using dog food. Yeah, shoot, I don't know where to put your food. Right there. And we just get our dog food. Yeah. Yeah, baby. We should put it in that. Oh. Makes it go much quicker. you're really this piece of food. Okay, there it is. And about 3 left. So gonna hurry, we'll eat it. The food. I'm gonna put a little more dog food in here. You know, just for, because I'm looking for like 100 minutes, literally. Comment down below how many minutes you think I'll catch on this. Cool thing I like about this thing is like, watch it. When you place it in, it just goes, look. It just goes, it goes down and then it slides. Boom, boom. Let me put a little more. We'll put all this on the food, on the floor. So like and subscribe, turn the bell on. Love you guys. Peace.